Okay, so we have one more thing left in 4.2 that we didn't get to do yesterday. And that is evaluating a trig function with a calculator. So try that problem. And let's round to, let's see, what do we want to do? How about we round to 2 places? Did you get it? So how come some of us are getting it, some of us are not? I don't understand. Is the calculators broke? Is my calculator broke? What did you guys enter?
0.7 sign.
And what is this 0.7? So there's the $64 question of the day. What is 0.7?
T. Cosine.
Why do some of you have the answer and why do some of you not?
Because the people have the answer are liars.
Let me humor this situation. Yes. You need it in radians, because what is 0.7? Does it say degrees? It is unitless. Oh, it's in radians. I better make sure my calculator's in radians.
Thank you.
Rads is radians.
Oh, I got it. I got the right answer.
Oh.
I've got it.
Mental note. The person who answered this was not with us last year in Honors Algebra 2. Mental note. Okay, just had to say that. Yes, I just put you guys all on blast. Ooh, look, let's go do cosine of pi over 12 degrees.
Wait, did you get the wrong answer?
Is that degrees?
Wait, I think she did get it.
Next. What does it say in your calculator, honey?
Because I put sine over 7 pi over 6. It is.
Does it say 7 pi over 6?
What?
You just said I put in 7 sine of 7 pi over 6. That's what you just said.
That's,
Where does it say that?
where am I? What am I supposed to put in?
Wait. I'm sorry. How is 0.7 even radians? It's unitless. Tell me what pi is. Isn't that just a decimal number? Pi is just a decimal number. When we have like pi over 6, that's just a decimal number. What is it? That's really 3.14 divided by 6. It's just a decimal number. So 0.7, I could change that into something with a pi. I just didn't. How do I know that that is in radians? There's no little degree symbol. Right? So I could write radians like this or like this. I mean, that's just really a decimal number. And that's a decimal number. The key is they're both unitless. If I turn around and I do sine of 33 degrees, my calculator better be in what? That was good. Degrees. Why? Because right there. None of these do I see that.
The way you put it in my calculator, I don't understand.
Is Derek the only one confused? I mean, I'm only hearing him. I mean, what Derek, okay, what is your question? Which one? Is it the first one still?
Okay, I understand that it needs to be radians and degrees, but I don't know what to put in the calculator to get the answer.
0.7 sine.
0.7 sine? Okay, so 0.7 sine. Okay, sine 0.7. Wrong answer.
I'm sorry, I don't know your calculator. Someone help him.
I did it. I fixed it.
So do these problems. Let's do it. Let's do a couple of degrees if we need to. There. So practice with your calculator. Derek.
I have like 2 ways to make sure. Wait, why didn't I just do this? I'm smart.
Yes, I like it.
No, never. I can sign.
Won't make me second guess myself.
It's for that one it's 6.58.
Thank you. I agree.
I divided by 12, then you press
What?
Where is yours? Oh.
Now we have some pieces out of 4.3.
You don't want to relax after your birthday.
Inverse functions. I have a cute little geometry picture.
It's like geometry is never cute.
Geometry's fun. What do you think I want to find here? Theta. How might I find theta? I wish I had an algebraic equation. What do I want to use? What is Pythagorean theorem going to get me? The hypotenuse. I don't want to find the other side. I want to find the angle. So get me an algebraic equation that will include that theta. Tangent of theta equals what? What? 21 over. There's an algebra problem. It's an equation. It's got an equal sign. The only thing I don't know is theta. But it's trapped inside. Kind of like a log. It's trapped inside. So here's how you write its inverse. You know the inverse is you switch out the x's and the y's. So I'm going to switch out these two. And I'm going to denote, here's the inverse. Now I'm solving for my theta. But I'm showing I did the inverse. What did I do? I switched out my x's and y's. Pick up my handy dandy calculator. Okay, so let's see.
Wait, do we do the inverse of tangent?
So you're going to do 21 divided by 25 equals to get whatever number that is. Then you're going to hit the inverse button for tangent, and it will equal your theta. Is it, so I could do it either way. I could do radians or degrees. So let's get an answer for both. Let's get an answer for theta in degrees and theta in unitless radians. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. So 21 divided by 25 equals. So the degree symbol should be over there. Do this problem, please.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, yeah.
Not 40. Does it find if we didn't put the 0.03?
I had said 2 places on the last one. I'm following through and doing the same thing. 2 places here also. 2 places.
So,
We also learned this earlier this year and last year when we did inverse functions. The negative one means inverse.
wait, how did you get?
One's in degrees and one is in radians. Both ways I punched in the exact same things into the calculator. The reason I got 2 different answers is one is in radians and one is in degrees. Because it's the same algebra problem. It's the same math. It's just how do I want to talk about that angle? Degrees or radians? $40 degrees is quadrant 1, correct? 0.7 is also quadrant 1. Think about it. From 0 to pi, isn't that 3.14? What's half of 3.14, like at 90 degrees? So like 1.57 or something? So 0.7 is before that, it's in quadrant 1. You got to change all of that, the unit circle and radians into decimals also. You have to be able to do that. Don't let that freak you out. Okay. Yes?
So we had after you set up the inverse function, you had to divide 21 by 25 and
Then I hit the inverse tangent button. That should be how you did it when you got these 2. Hopefully you were successful so you know how to do it on whatever calculator you're using. Okay, so keep trying. That's why I'm sitting here waiting. I'm waiting for everybody to be able to get it. Get help from each other, do something. You need to get it. Why? You have homework on it. These are skills you need to have. Here's your homework problems from this. These are all word problems. But they're just a bunch of right triangles, and they're asking you different questions. They're pretty straightforward. They don't get more complicated until chapter 6. And I believe I am done for today.